Hey guys, this is John. So I hope you can hear me right now. I left my microphones at home, unfortunately, and so I'm going to talk kind of loud, and we'll see what we get for as far as audio goes.
Very loud. You shouldn't have any problem.
It is. Well, it is very loud. We can definitely hear. You can see my friend KP right here.
Yeah.
So we are at the Sikh Satsang of Indianapolis, and this is my friend CJ. Okay. So we are going to take you into, what would you call this? A worship gathering? How would you call this?
It's a congregation hall. It's called a Divan Hall.
Okay. Okay, so we're gonna take you in there, and you'll see what's going on. It might the audio might be a little bit hard. I'm sure you can hear what's going on with them right now, but it might be a little bit hard to hear us. But we'll try to interject things here and there, and just kind of enjoy what you see. It's a very interesting place to be, and I hope you enjoy the sights. Okay, just guide me where we need to go. I'm going to move us down a little bit here.
सारे कुमार कलगी पाशा हम सारे सिद्धि के दूसरी साइड का प्रकार किया गया बड़ी श्रद्धा भावना के नाल आप सारे बना रहे हैं सब कुछ कृपा कर सारे चोरियां में खुशियां बख्शिश कर परम प्रभु सिक्खी जी देश कौम का प्यार चरण की प्रीत दासरे वालों सुबह संतान बयान तो बताइयां होंगी आओ इतनी सेवा प्रवान करने के लाभ पति प्यार से वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। साहिब कमाल साहिब श्री गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी के प्रकाश चरण के सोन विच गुरु घर विखे सतगुरु शासन के जो फतेह दी सांझ पाइए। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। साथियों जिवें तुसीं देख रहे हो अज का जो प्रोग्राम है 12:30 तो लैके 20-25 मिनट तक लाइव चल रहा फेसबुक पे। जॉन नैली साडे कोल पहुंचे हुए ने सो ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਕੋਆਪਰੇਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਉਹ ਵੱਖ-ਵੱਖ ਧਰਮਾਂ ਦੇ प्रोग्राम इस तरह रिकॉर्ड करके संगत ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਸਾਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਸਿੱਖ ਧਰਮ ਬਾਰੇ ਜਾਣ ਪਾਏ। ਉਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਸੰਬੰਧ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਨੇ ਸੋ ਮੇਰੀ ਸੰਗਤ ਅੱਗੇ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਹੈ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਦਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਸਬੂਤ ਬਖਸ਼ਿਓ। ਉਸ ਉਪਰੰਤ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਤਿਆਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਹੌਸਲਾ ਅਫਜ਼ਾਈ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ। ਨਾਓ ਰਿਕੁਐਸਟ ਰੋਮਾ ਪਲੀਜ਼ एक शब्द लेके संगत लई आए हुए हैं प्लीज इन्हें के प्रमाण वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
So this guy up here, CJ is going to tell you what this guy up here is doing.
We are sitting right next to the Guru Granth Sahib Ji, which is the living Guru of the Sikhs. And the guy right behind him is standing as a sign of reverence, and he's in attendance to the Guru Granth Sahib right now.
Hey, can you guys hear anything that we're saying? Can you hear our voices at all? Sorry about that. I forgot my microphone, Nasir. So we're kind of at the mercy of the microphone that's on the iPhone right now. So what we'll do, I know the audio is not perfect on this, guys. I'm sorry about that. But what we'll do is we'll go out into the hallway a little bit and we'll explain a little bit about what we saw, and maybe we'll come back in then. What I've really noticed about this place, and I've been sitting here for about an hour and a half right now before we went live, and I've just been noticing such a peace that's in this place, such a peacefulness. So, CJ, it seems like there's a proper entrance. It seems like the way that you enter is very important, and there's a sequence of that. What's the sequence that they're going through? What exactly do they need to do?
They just come up to the Guru Granth Sahib Ji, which is the sacred scripture, and then in the living Guru of the Sikhs, they bow in front of the Guru, and then they take their seat and join the congregation. So right now, the kids who had prepared a small verse in respect of the 10th Guru, Guru Gobind Singh Ji, and we are celebrating his birthday today. And now the professional singers are going to sing, and he's enjoyed the singing. They're singing now. You can get the drink.
राजन 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 तुम हो सब राजन के राजा राजन 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 तुम हो सब राजन के राजा
We are going to the sacred Guru, which is our living Guru. It's the scripture, but we treat it as our living Guru.
राजन राजन तुम हो सब राजन के राजा बनवाजा आपे आप गरीब बनवाजा आपे आप गरीब बनवाजा आपे आप गरीब बनवाजा आपे आप गरीब बनवाजा राजन राजन तुम हो सब राजन के राजा राजन 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 तुम हो सब राजन के राजा राजन राजन तुम हो सब राजन के राजा सब राजन के राजा आपे आप गरीब बनवाजा आपे आप गरीब बनवाजा आपे आप गरीब बनवाजा आपे आप गरीब बनवाजा राजन 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 तुम हो सब राजन के राजा राजन 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 तुम हो सब राजन के राजा
Okay. So I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure how well the sound's working, but we'll see. But yeah, that's a good little bit right there. If we had the microphone, I'd do more, so we could explain some things inside of it. Sound is great now? Okay, good. So I think what I would like to do, if it's okay with you, I'd like to go into the other room and maybe stop this broadcast and start another one and just sit and talk for a little while. Would that be good? Okay. All right, so we'll be back with you guys in just a little bit.